Hello everyone, this is Jasleen Kaur and you are watching News Now. Let's take a look at headlines first.
LP tells students to vacate their hostels. Local come forward to help the peers. Opposition meet to discuss government handling COVID-19 situation. Eye-catching flowers adding a brilliance to the roads of Jalandhar.
For today's special story, we will be seeing the packers and movers in LPU and how this lockdown gave them an idea to earn handsome amounts of money.
As you can see in visuals, the students from Lovely Professional University are working very hard to provide their luggage from hostel to their home of their fellow batchmates and earning a good amount of money by opening the agency named Packers and Movers.
It's time for a short break. After the break, opposition questions Modi government in this pandemic. Welcome back. Let's take a look at how opposition slams government over COVID-19.
Opposition questions Modi government handling of COVID-19 pandemic, seeks compensation for migrants who died during lockdown. During this entire period when India has been fighting its battle against coronavirus, the opposition remains silent and inactive. The opposition in Lok Sabha Sanjay alleged a failure in the strategy to deal with the coronavirus crisis. The virtual meeting began with participants paying tributes to 20 Indian soldiers killed in a violent face-off with the Chinese troops in Ladakh. Opposition politics needs social media users and commenting parties' office bearers held a meeting in which they paid homage to singer S.P. Balasubramaniam and a former Union Minister Jaswant Singh. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi took to Twitter to attack the government. A pluralist democracy has to be anchored in the healthy debate, cutting across politics and ideological lines. Opposition leaders in Rajya Sabha asked the government on Thursday to restore the status quo ante as on the April this year on the Indian-China border. A controversy over Assam Assembly proposal to set up a museum for Char Chapori areas has become the latest political flashpoint. 9 opposition parties from Bihar submitted a joint memorandum to Election Commission of India. The visit come at a time when Working Committee of J&K, BJP in unanimous resolution of reiterated party commitment to restoration of statehood. 8 suspended opposition Rajya Sabha MPs on Tuesday ended their overnight sit inside the Parliament House complex after the opposition decided to boycott the remaining session of the upper house. People Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti on Friday hit out on BJP saying the party has demolished the country constitution and want to replace it with manifesto. Digital campaigning has acquired additional elements in the run-up to the assembly election in Bihar. Leaders of 22 opposition parties, including 3 CMs, on Friday rejected the centre's economic package. Kerala on Wednesday decided to withdraw the general consent accorded to the CBI to prop cases. BJP leaders said since Congress has been very vocal against the government, there was a need to discuss the issue with the main opposition and the other party. BJP and opposition MPs on Wednesday slammed Facebook represent Congress committee demanding the recall of the contentious farms legislation brought up by the Modi government. The centre will borrow the goods and service tax compensation shortfall for 11 lakh crore. Reaction of parties came after the Supreme Court expressed the unhappiness over the pendency of the plea by the AG Pavilion with the Mr. Prohorit over the 2 years. Shankar Prasad colleague Union Minister Prakash Javadekar sought an apology from Congress and other opposition parties over the conspiracy theories. PM Modi was speaking at the Statue of Unity in Kevadia, Gujarat on Rashtriya Ekta Divas, the birth of anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Questions are also raised on the Rahul Gandhi's ability to lead. The party workers are trying to get the freedom from dynastic leadership. The opposition party is staring into the NDA government, alleging that the ruling party was using the pandemic for political reason. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar said he is convinced that the people will vote for the BJP on the basis of the development work initiated by his government. COVID vaccine for Bihar. Does the whole country not pay taxes? Question Harsimrat Kaur Badal. Once COVID-19 vaccine is ready, it will be provided to all the people for free of cost, announced the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. Demand for special status for Bihar has been made frequently since Nitish Kumar came power in 2005.
If you are living in Jalandhar or planning to visit here, then you must see the roadside trees with soft pink, yellow, purple blooms lining in the road. So, we are leaving you with the visuals of the city. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching.